There are 5 scenes that every romance must have, and I'm going to use them to plot my next bestseller. But first, a brain dump. I am totally in my villain era with my Wicked Evermore series. I've already written Wicked Beauty, which is a Maleficent's love story. I'm about to write Wicked Song, which is Ursula's love story, and then I'll get to Wicked Chill, which will be the Snow Queen's love story. And this is the journal that I'm keeping this in. Isn't it so pretty? It's a rainbow colored journal. And I did Maleficent's already. And now I am moving on to Ursula's. And this is what my brain dump is so far. So in a brain dump, I usually write the scenes that I'm so super excited to write. I also write down a few plotting notes. A lot of times the plotting notes, especially if I'm doing a retelling, because this is all a retelling. So in the plotting notes, I'm writing down the key scenes of the original text, and I start to think about how am I going to flip them, because in a retelling, especially this retelling, I'm flipping it because my villains are now the heroines of the love story. So I wrote down things like I need to figure out how I'm going to have the shipwreck scene, how I'm going to have Ursula rescue the prince instead of Ariel, who is the villain in this story. I need to figure out like what the marketplace scene will be. And so everything I'm flipping from Ariel to Ursula, but then I also need to figure out what are the scenes that I'm really excited to write, because this is a hidden identity plot. So she's going to be pretending to be someone that she is not, and always in a hidden identity plot. I think the tension and the funny comes from trying to hold on to the secret identity, trying to pretend to be someone or something that you're not. Meanwhile, the other love interest, the hero in this case, is going to keep getting glimpses of that person's true essence. And that's what they're falling in love with, but they get confused when the heroine in this case, who's hiding her identity, keeps slipping into this false identity. And at some point, there's going to be a reveal. And that's when you know that, ta-da! You're the one that I loved all along. So that's what I'm going to be brain dumping today. Wish me luck, and I'll see you tomorrow when I start working on the first necessary scene that I believe every romance needs to have.